Energy efficiency is a top priority for homeowners in Layton, where seasonal temperature changes can put pressure on heating and cooling systems. While many people focus on choosing high-quality windows and doors, proper installation is just as important. Even the most energy-efficient products can underperform if they are not installed correctly. Professional installation plays a key role in ensuring that your home maintains consistent temperatures, reduces energy waste, and stays comfortable year-round. One of the most important ways installation affects energy efficiency is through air sealing. When windows and doors are not properly installed, small gaps can form around the frame. These gaps may seem minor, but they allow outdoor air to enter and conditioned air to escape. In Layton's colder months, this can lead to heat loss, while in warmer months, it allows heat to enter the home. Proper installation ensures tight seals that prevent these air leaks, helping maintain a stable indoor environment. Insulation is another critical factor influenced by installation quality. During the installation process, materials such as foam insulation and sealants are used to fill the space between the window or door frame and the wall. If this step is not done correctly, the insulation may be uneven or incomplete, reducing its effectiveness. Properly installed insulation acts as a barrier against temperature transfer, helping keep homes warmer in the winter and cooler in the summer. Alignment and fit also play a significant role in energy efficiency. Windows and doors must be installed level and square to function properly. If they are misaligned, they may not close tightly, creating opportunities for drafts and energy loss. A professional installer ensures that each component is positioned correctly, allowing it to open and close smoothly while maintaining a secure seal. Moisture control is another area where proper installation makes a difference. Poor installation can allow water to seep into the home around windows and doors. This moisture can damage insulation, reduce energy efficiency, and lead to issues such as mold or mildew. Proper flashing, sealing, and drainage techniques help prevent water intrusion, protecting both the structure of the home and its energy performance. Energy efficiency is also closely tied to long-term durability. Improperly installed windows and doors can experience premature wear and tear, leading to gaps, cracks, or seal failure over time. These issues not only reduce efficiency but also increase maintenance and repair costs. Professional installation ensures that products are securely fitted and supported, helping them perform effectively for many years. Another important benefit of proper installation is improved indoor comfort. Drafts, temperature fluctuations, and uneven heating or cooling are often the result of poorly installed components. When windows and doors are installed correctly, they create a consistent barrier against outdoor conditions. This leads to more even temperatures throughout the home, eliminating hot or cold spots and making living spaces more comfortable. Noise reduction is another advantage. Gaps and poor seals can allow outside noise to enter the home, reducing comfort. Properly installed windows and doors create a tighter seal, helping block unwanted sounds and create a quieter indoor environment. Professional installation also ensures that energy-efficient features perform as intended. Modern windows and doors often include advanced materials, coatings, and design elements that improve insulation and reduce heat transfer. However, these features can only deliver their full benefits if the product is installed correctly. A precise installation allows all components to work together effectively. In addition, proper installation can help homeowners maximize their return on investment. Energy-efficient upgrades are often chosen to reduce utility costs, but poor installation can limit these savings. By ensuring that windows and doors are installed correctly, homeowners can achieve the full energy-saving potential of their investment. In conclusion, proper installation is essential for maintaining energy efficiency in Layton homes. From preventing air leaks and improving insulation to enhancing durability and comfort, the quality of installation directly impacts how well windows and doors perform. By choosing professional installation, homeowners can ensure consistent indoor temperatures, lower energy bills, and a more comfortable living environment throughout the year.